Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Probably you know me already. I'm Madi from BloomFX and I just started a new live session on YouTube where I give free education, and sometimes when I find the right time I can have a trade in the same time with you. Okay, it's like in a real-time signal. Okay. Wait 1 second. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Now I think you can hear me and everything. So I was talking about GJ, and I can see that right now we have another 49 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. It just started right now, and I want to see if this candle it's going. Wait, what's wrong? You can hear me and everything. So I was talking about. Okay. And let's see if this candle is going to reject from this area, or if it's going to break it, then it's going to continue again to retest 151,600. If not, if it's going to close under this resistance of 151,180, then it's going to come back down to retest again this area. As you can see also on the 4-hour candle, starting from yesterday, GJ came back down, rejected this area, so it means that at 152 200 area from here we have a very strong zone, and we have to wait to see what the price will do exactly from this area. Okay, from this zone of 150,736. Also here I have put like an alert, and I want to see if the price is going to reject and come back up more, or it's going to break it. The thing is that remember that this pair, it went up a lot. Okay, it was in a bullish time for a long time. Okay, and now we have to see if the price is going to retest again somewhere here, this area, also where I have put my alert, and then it's going to continue up, or it's going to, let's say, do like a corrective move. If it's going to do like a corrective move, then I think it should come back first at 150, no, what we have here, 148, somewhere here around this area, and then if it's going to break it, then even down more. Okay, so now we have to wait for GPY to see if it's strong or not. Right now GBP it's down. Okay, it's very weak, and GPY it's let's say strong. Okay, and we cannot say that we can trade euro with GPY right now, because let's say that they are in a range at the moment. Let's go to EURJPY, because also I like to trade EURJPY. And EURJPY at this moment on the 4-hour, it's still trying to push up. And if I'm putting this line right here, this could be on the 4-hour my resistance right here. It could be, let's say, my 4-hour support, okay, because right here the price rejected from this area, but then the price break it, then came back down and did like support and then back up. So I'm still expecting for this price to come again to this area of 130, 500 area, what we have here. Coming back to 1 hour. On the 1 hour, it seems like, okay, EURJPY, it's still trying to push up. Also, if, let's say, I don't really use it, but sometimes it gives me a good, let's say, point of view. No, I don't know how to say. It helped me sometimes to see what the price may do. So right now we can see that we are in an uptrend, okay? So we have to wait to see how the price is going to reject from this area, if it's going to reject from here or up to here, and then the price came to come back down even more. We have here a guy, Inam, I think it's your name, USD Cad buy opportunity still exists. USD Cad, yes, I think we still have ignored this one. It was a long time ago, okay. What I can say is that yes, I mean, I still believe that this one should continue to go up. I don't see why the price should go down. And again, if I'm putting here a trend line, it's like it can help me think that this price is rejecting from this area, and the price should continue to retest again this zone of what we have here, 1.25 100 area, okay. So it seems like the price is closing higher and higher, and it gives me the idea to have a buy, not a sell, okay. So this is what I think about USD Cad. Let me go also to Euro USD to see how things are going there. Here on the 4 hour we see that, okay, for me it's like in a range area and nothing really special it's doing. So I can say that right now. Let me go on the 1 hour to see. Yeah, it's like in a range zone. So for this pair, I suggest you to trade it only if it's going to break this area. Okay, so you should wait more, like 50 pips, but I really don't trade it because I don't like. So let me see also 30-minute. Yes, it's very ugly. I really don't like it. So I don't trade pairs that they do like this, you know, they stay like in a box right here and they don't do really nothing. I'm waiting for the price. Let me to break either up here or down to here, okay. So let's say that this is my system of trading. Can you have a look at gold, please, Mohammed? Let's have a look at gold. Oops, I still have the line here. Let's see gold. Gold on the 30-minute. Let me put it again somewhere here. Okay, perfect. Gold, it's again, let's say in that crazy area where, if you remember, here we had like a range zone. So it's like it came back from where it left, okay, this area. It's like, you know, supply and demand, they attract each other like the magnet, and they say that what comes down comes up again. So I believe that right now it's like in an again range area, so it's playing right here. So you should not trade it, okay. I don't suggest you to trade it. Also, if you are going on the 1 hour, the price, okay, let's play a little bit also here with the trend line, and it seems like for your eyes to be easier to understand and to read it, is that this price is trying to continue to go higher, okay, to go up, and maybe to retest again this area where we had the last touch of 1739 area, okay, or 1740. So if it's going to break this area from here, okay, and close also above 1740, then you can have a buy, okay. Wait for the best opportunity for you to make money, not to lose money. I'm in USDJPY sell. What do you think? Well, you are in USDJPY sell. Why you are in the USDJPY sell right now? Why? Let me see also the currency strike matter. It says that, okay, USD, it's very weak, JPY, it's so and so, but as you can see right now, also, let me go on the 30-minute and let me remove everything that we have here. And for you to be easier to see it, it's that right now the price, it's playing into this box, okay? So for those that they are using TradingView, it's very useful because you can play a lot with all these lines from here. You know, you can create boxes, you can create a lot of things that they can help you, okay, it can help your eye to read what's going on the market, okay. So again, in my mind, I say that right now all the pairs with USD, let's say like they do let's say like a small ranging, because what's the time now? My time is 13:20, 1 and 20 minutes. So in about, I think, 1 hour, and let's check on the Forex Factory, and here we can see that around exactly 1 hour we will have some news on USD pairs, okay, and we will have the retail sales and core retail sales. So that's why I can see that all the pairs at the moment, they are in a range area, okay. So it's better to have a pending order than to be right now in a trade with a pair of USD if you don't have, let's say, experience, because it's very, very hard to trade, okay. We don't know exactly what do they sell, what they will sell at the, say at the news, but there is a higher probability also. Let's see here. Also on the daily USDJPY, it went up a lot. Let me see. On the weekly, okay, so on the weekly, it looks like it still has more room, okay, to continue to go higher. And here, if we are going to put a line, you see that these two candles from here, they match perfectly, okay. But in the same time, we still have room for this candle to continue to this area of what we have here, almost 110, okay. And then if it's going to break and close above this area, then it's going to go to 112, what we have there, 250, 300. So I do believe that, okay, this is not going to happen right now, but it seems like you should have like a pending order for these pairs, either up or down, okay, to have a buy stop or a sell stop. But right now it's in a range zone, so if you are in a trade, you just have to wait, and if you have the possibility to close your trade at the break even, then you can do it. If not, then you just have to wait. USD, Swiss franc, I'm holding short position till 0.92. Okay. What you said there? USD, Swiss franc is this one. So again, also with this pair, okay, this one is not in a range zone, but let me check. Okay, So right now on the 4 hour, it seems like it rejected last week from this area of 93,750 area. From here it came back down, up again, down, up again, and down. And now it's very simple. If this price on the 1 hour is going to break this area, okay, so you still have 1 hour and 36 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close, then you can have a short until this zone of 120, no, what do you have there, 0.92, okay. If not, then the price, it will reject again from this area, and then it will retest again 92, 0.92, 850 area, okay. So I don't know why you are choosing these pairs. I don't know why you are in a trade right now with these pairs, because it seems that they are very, very ugly, okay. It was a very good move, let's say, for this one, for USD Swiss franc. This move, it was a very good one, and it was a sell, okay. Here it was your sell. I think you are a little bit too late right now to be in a trade. I don't know your name. Nurlan. Hello. USD, it's very weak. Yes, I explained why it's very weak right now, because in about 1 hour we will have news with the red flag, and if you are going here to the Forex Factory, you will see exactly what's going on. So you should download a Forex Factory. Don't trade without the Forex Factory, because with this one you will know exactly what's going on in the world, and you will have all the news, and you will know exactly when to enter in the market, and so on. So I told you to trade right now USD pairs, you need a lot of experience, and you need a lot of experience with news, because you know, and also you have the possibility to play with your risk management, because I said you have some experience, okay. USD, what do you say there? I'm in profit so far. So I'm happy for you, Mohammed, if you are in profit, but please try to secure all your trades and to be all the time in profits. Euro USD, I think for this one you said that you are in profits right now. Well, it's fine. It's if you are in profits right now with, maybe you are saying about Euro USD right now, I don't know, but I mean, you should be, when you are sending a message, you should say I'm in profit so far in Euro USD, because I don't know exactly what pair you are talking about, and I have to be very focused also on the charts and also at the messages that you send me. Sadia, or I don't know how to read your name, your thoughts about Euro GBP, please. Is there still room to go up? Well, let's see, Euro GBP. Let me go first on the daily, okay? And on the daily, we can see that here Euro GBP rejected from this area. So it's simple. As you can see, also me, I have put my alerts right here. So if the price is going to break and close above this area of 0.86400, okay, then the price may continue to go higher. Right now it seems like it's rejecting from this zone, and it may come back down again from here, I think, yes, to what we have here, 0.86137 area, okay, somewhere here, to do the retest and then to come back up even more. I don't know what to tell you exactly, but I think that it's rejecting right now. It's trying to retest this and then to go even higher. So if you still have any pairs that you want to trade, then you can tell me. Also in this case of GJ on the 1 hour and we still have 31 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. And let me see also the 30-minute chart, how it looks. Yeah, it still has 1 minute for this 30-minute candle to close. Let's see if the price, it will reject from this area. It means like this could be like a break through this zone, came back up, did like a retest. Okay, I'm thinking like this, is doing like a retest, and then the price to come back down more. If we are going to the currency strength meter, we can say that okay, it's trying to gain strength, but it cannot do it. NGPY, it's so and so. Okay, I don't really trust them, but I like to play with them, and sometimes they are really good and you should use them. But more, I think that you should use the Forex Factory, and also if you want to learn how to trade, you should use TradingView, because it gives you the best opportunities, how you say, to mark up your charts, also to have new ideas. Also here you have these positions here, like long and short position, and a lot of things, so you can discover them. These are for those that they are new and they don't really know about Forex, because also I said that I invite all the people that they are watching me on Instagram, because they said, oh, we want to learn. Well, I said, okay, fine, perfectly, come and watch on YouTube every day where I do the live session, because here I share with you all my ideas, and if I have the opportunity, I can enter in a trade with you. So let me see what GJ is trying to do right now. So the possibility for this pair to continue to go higher, I think we can go up again. Let me check 4 hour. So it's like the price did here like a retest, okay, around this area. I'm just thinking logically where GJ can go. I mean, why GJ is trying to go up more and not coming back down. So I'm thinking that okay, on the 4 hour, and we still have 1 hour and 28 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close. So if it's going to reject from this area, then I think that the next candle, it may continue and shoot up even more. Okay, but I want to see how the price is going to react around this zone. But I think it's really trying to do like a retest, and then the price to come back down even lower. It's strange right now, and I can say that all the pairs, it's like they went crazy. I mean, it's very difficult to trade them. Okay, and I think you have realized this also. I'm talking here with the people that they really trade, let's say, like every time the same pair, okay, and they get used to it with that pair, and they know exactly what I'm talking about, because sometimes they see every day the same thing, okay, the same chart, and they are predicting exactly where the price can go. That's why all the time I said also to the students that when you're trying to trade, try to trade only one pair or maximum two, because like this you have the possibility to learn a pair to understand where the price is going, and I think it's easier for you to predict the next move, okay, because you see the same thing every day. So again, if you have questions, you can ask me about any pair. Maybe you are in some other trades, because I know that you are trading, and I know that you are asking me because some of you maybe you are in a drawdown and you want to know exactly how your trade is going on. So I'm telling you, if you have any questions, please you can ask me, because that's why I am here. I don't know what GJ is trying to do right now, but in the same time I can say that it felt a lot, and now it's trying to push higher. This is on the 30-minute, and let me see also on the very lower time frames, like 15 minutes, where they give you like lower confirmation, okay. But it seems that right now it's rejecting from this area. Let me check again the currency strength meter, and it seems like the GPY is trying to become even stronger. But it's still trying to push higher. Let me see Euro USD. Euro USD, it's still trying to push up. Let me go on the 1 hour. So remember that at 2:30 we have the news, and be careful for those that they are trading the news for today, and they are trading all the USD pairs, sorry, and be careful, and have a good very good risk management, and like this to end up your day in profitability, let's say. Sometimes I cannot find my words in English. It's very hard, you know, to speak in English. Also EURJPY, it's rejecting this area. A new 30-minute candle started, and it seems like it's trying to reject from this zone, and if I'm looking on the left side I can see why. Okay, all the time you have to look on the left side, all the time you have to mark up good your chart, like to understand where you have your support and resistance. Try to be smart. Try to be smart to make money, okay? This is my advice, okay, that I can give you. Try to be smart, because if you are, then believe me, you can make some nice money. So I think that this one, if it's going to close above this area, okay, 151.7, what we have here, 217, okay, let's say 220, then the price, it has more room to come again to retest this area of 151. It's very, very difficult to predict right now and to know exactly where the pairs are going. And I'm trying to find the best opportunity to go into the trade. But in the same time, in my mind, it's like, okay, if this price break through this zone and it's coming back down and then coming back up, in my mind it's like a retest and then from here to reject. But in the same time, if I'm going on the lower time frames, I can see that if the price is going to break and close above this area, then in the price it may continue to go even higher. But right now I can see that the price is still rejecting from this zone. Okay, let's see, EURJPY, EURJPY the same, Euro USD the same. Sorry for the indiscreet question. What's your nationality? Your English is good and understandable. I'm from Romania. Okay, it's a very, very beautiful country. I think you heard about Romania. It's beautiful because we have also mountains and because we have also seaside and we have a lot of tourists. I'm talking here about, let's say, the beautiful festivals that we have, music festivals, okay? And also what's happening during the summer at the seaside. They call it, let's say, like Miami, okay? It's the small Miami, but I can say that it's a very expensive place, okay? But it's very, very beautiful. And if you didn't visit until now Romania, you should, because it's very beautiful. So it's good that you understand me, because I don't know exactly. Sometimes I'm trying to find some words to be easier for you to understand me, but it's a little bit difficult, you know. Do you speak Russian? No. I love that. I love that language. But no, I cannot. I would love to learn, but no, it's a very difficult, and because I don't do nothing, let's say, like visiting the country or things like this, and I'm not working with this language, then I said, okay, I will not learn it right now, but maybe in this life I will learn it, because it sounds I don't know, like I like it because it's like, I don't know, from the movies. I don't know how to explain. I like it very much. Why did you ask me about Russian? Because I look like a Russian girl? I'm asking you this because a lot of people think that I'm a Russian girl, and not from my accent, but from my look. Although it's about beauty and things like this, I receive a lot of messages on Instagram, and it's, I don't know, sometimes I feel so disgusted because they say only, oh, you're beautiful, only kisses, only stupid thing. I mean, I am here to talk about Forex, not about my beauty. And I mean, if you think that I'm beautiful, then keep it for yourself, okay? So sometimes I not even answer, and I delete the messages. I mean, it's very ugly, because some people, I mean guys, because not girls, I'm not speaking here about girls, I'm speaking about boys here, and they are not, let's say, gentlemen, so they don't know how to behave with a girl. If they see a girl that she looks, let's say, okay, she's pretty beautiful, they start with the messages and bombarding things. They how do I say, they don't care about what do I do and things like this. So I really don't like it. I thought that Romania also speak in Russian. No, Romania, it's Romanian. We speak our language, which is by the way very difficult. It's very difficult to speak. Grammatically, I don't know how to say, grammarly, I don't know how to say. It's very difficult to understand. I don't know the other languages, but this one it's very, very hard. Where are you from, Nurlan? And I think that I pronounced very well your name. Maybe you are from Russia. So, speaking about me and where I'm from, it seems like GJ on the 30 minutes, it's trying to push higher, and I don't know, it's crazy right now. Sometimes the pairs are doing some moves that you cannot control them in the... I'm from Kazakhstan, nearly Russia. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, Nurlan. I was speaking about GG, that it's really crazy because it seems like right now also on the 1 hour the price is trying to push higher, okay, but what I have learned and what do I know, it's like right now the price should come back down even more, okay, because right here it did something like this. Let me take my brush. So it did something like this, now it did something like this, and now probably it should do something like this, okay, and maybe to go even deeper. So let's see how this pair is going to move, but right now it seems like I cannot enter in the trade because I don't have the best look also on the 15 minute, because I say that 15 minute it can give you let's say like a small confirmation, but it can give it to you, okay. So in this case I can see on the 15 minute it closed above, but in the same time now it's coming back down. On the 30 minute it went up, and now it's trying to push even lower. So if the price is going to come back down, then my theory, it's very good. I mean, it's that it did exactly what I'm trading, like break and retest, but I don't really like what the price is doing right now. So if you ask me, the price should come back even lower, but you never know what's going on, and maybe the price is to shoot up more. So again, if you are interested about any other pairs, please ask me, because that's why I'm here. Oh, look, Euro USD, it's pushing beautifully, but I really don't like to trade things like this, okay. And most probably it has to go to this area, maybe to go another 15-20 pips. And EURJPY, it seems like it's it rejected from this zone, maybe it's going to do the retest here. So for those that they are trading EURJPY, wait for the price to see if it's going to give you a confirmation, okay, at 0.86131. If the price will close above this area, then there is another possibility for the price to continue to go even higher, okay, to this let's say a new alert where I have put it right here. If not, the price will come back down. What do you think about New Zealand Cad? Let me see if I have it here. I think I do have it. This one. let me go from the daily. From the daily, it rejected from this zone. Okay, so we have the possibility for this pair to reject from this area to come back at least to this zone of 0.9300 area from here. Okay, no, I think first it should be here at 0.900, what we have here, okay, at 90. So I think this is the first stop. This I'm saying this because here, as you can see, we have this problem right here. This candle rejected from this zone right here, the price rejected, came back down, the price couldn't touch again this area. So it seems like it's a very strong and crazy zone, and to have a better buy or a sell, I think buy, because we are speaking about this zone. We have to wait for the price to break this area of what we have here, 0. Okay, it's 90, 90, 10, 90, 20, something like this. So right now it seems like on the 4 hour it's like ranging, nothing doing. On the 1 hour it's still ranging. Do you think that it's doing something beautifully? No, I don't see anything. So I don't understand why you choose this kind of pairs. I mean, also when I give signals, sometimes I use this kind of pairs, but no, you should trade these ones, the ones that all the people are trading them: Euro USD, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, GJ, Euro AUD. So these are the pairs that you can trade them, not this one, New Zealand CAD. I mean, so I tell you my opinion, nothing right now is happening with this pair. It's like, for me, it's in a range area, so it has to break either up here at 0.90 or either down to 89,200 area. So if it's going to break and close, then you can have a buy or a sell. I hold short position from 0.8985. 89.85. You have a short position where if you have put your stop loss and you have secured your trade, then you don't have any problem. But it seems like right now it's playing a little bit, okay, in this box. So there is the possibility that the price to hit your stop loss. So my opinion, move your stop loss at the break even, and if you will see again that the price it's going what you thought, it's going down, then you didn't lose anything and you have the opportunity to go again in a trade and maybe to double your position. I don't know. Hi Madi, how are you in the Le Petit Paris? Very pretty city. What are your thoughts on gold on the 1 hour and 4 hour today? So Pete, yeah, about the little Paris, they really called my city like this, the small Paris, because the architecture it's similar, okay, the buildings and the streets and so on, the big parks, it looks a little bit the same with the Paris, and they call it the little Paris. So coming back to gold, right now gold, look how many lines. It's very difficult to trade gold. 30-minute. So I said earlier about gold that here it's like it came back again in this strange area. is it, a strange area from here, okay, where I said that it's like a range zone. So the price may do the same thing right here, but it seems like it can come down, then come to this area, have a range again, and then maybe to come back down even lower. I'm saying this because there is a possibility for the price to do the same thing like what it did right here, okay? So I did a movement like a mirror movement, okay? I don't know how to call it. But on the 30-minute, I told you, it's like in a range area. I don't like it. I cannot trade something like this going to 1 hour. It seems like, okay, we are like in an uptrend, but the price may reject from this area and then to come back down. And on the 4 hour, it seems like a double top. And let me take, where is it? I think it's here. Yes. So it's like, let's say, going like this, coming back down, going up again, coming back down. So what do we have here? This is like not a text, I need a brush. What do we have here? This is like a double top, okay? And if it's like this, what I'm thinking, then the price should reject from this area. But right now gold, it's like in a range zone, and I really don't like to trade it. What I can say about gold is that if it's going to break and close somewhere here at 1731, let's say, then you have a higher chance for the price to come back even lower. But in the same time, you should be aware, because as you can see, the candles are closing higher and higher, and we have the possibility for the price to continue to go even higher, okay? So we can see a rejection from here, and then the price to hit again this area and maybe to come back down more. On the long term, I can say that gold is going to fall, and on the short term, how you say, on the long term the price can come down, and on the short term it can create like a spike. Don't forget that we have news in about half an hour. Then after this spike, the price can come down, but don't think that this whole moves the gold will do them today, okay? So don't think that all the moves they can be made today. So on the 1 hour, and there is another 2 more minutes for this 1 hour and 30-minute candle to close. And what do you say here, Pete? Thank you, I was late to the live stream. With pleasure, anytime you have to ask me, and I answer you, because that's why I'm here, to help people and maybe to have a trade together. But for me it's easier in the morning when I do send my signals. I started to send them also at the pre-London and then London session, to send some signals, because I have noticed that right now during this period the price it's moving better around that period of time. But also I encourage all the people that they are trading to trade in the London session and the New York session. Okay. And now I want to see, we still have 1 minute for this 30-minute candle to close. But I don't understand why there is no volatility right now in the market. It's like nothing, it's moving. Okay, the pairs with USD I understand because they are waiting the news, but the others, they really do small moves. Well, what can we do? So it seems like this is the second rejection. Okay, what are you doing? My God, I wanted to put here like this. So here we have the first. No, it doesn't want. So the first rejection, the second rejection right now, maybe the price is trying to push up a little bit, maybe through this area, and then to come back down. I'm thinking that maybe the price is doing like the accumulation, and then the price to continue to go down. We call it in the forex market liquidity grab. It can be from the uptrend or downtrend. Okay, so because it didn't close above that area, then the higher probability for the price to continue to go down, it's higher. Okay, so if you are watching for something, you can ask me. So yes, this one can be a nice sell, but where you can have your stop loss. I cannot put you to have a very small, so if I was trading, I could put my stop loss right here at 10 pips and maybe to have a win at 1-to-1. Okay, so this is scalping, and I love to do it like this, but it's very difficult to do it with you on the live session, because in the same time I have to think that you have also a delay of a few seconds, I think more than 10, 15 or something like this, and you know it very well that it counts a lot, and I cannot play like this. But usually, and sometimes when I see some moves, and I'm trying new things and so on, and the real account and the demo account, because still I have a demo account, and I'm trying to do new strategies on it. I use a very small stop loss, and for example, like this one here, that it's about 10 pips. Okay, so it's like right here I use only 10 pips, but I want to learn to earn 30. Okay, So if I will put here a bet, let's say of $50, it means that I will gain, if the price will go into my favor, $150. So like this, you should also understand also the risk management. Your thoughts on EURJPY now? EURJPY. I told you it's going to continue to go higher, and as you can see, I mean, I'm here, I'm giving you some ideas, okay? You don't have to jump into the trade, you have to take it logically and thinking that what she's telling there, I mean, okay, she's saying that it's going up, but I have to understand why, okay? So don't go like, if I say that, okay, the price is going to continue to go up, you don't have a buy, okay, in that second. Just wait, think what she was trying to say. Maybe she's not right. Maybe I should wait more. I don't know, because you must have your own instinct. Maybe you have learned something else. Maybe you have a new strategy and you want to compare it with mine. I don't know. But when I say that something it may happen, it doesn't mean that it may happen 100%. But for example, what do I think about EURJPY right now? I think that the probability for the price to continue to go higher, to go up, it's higher than the price to come back down. But we have the possibility that the price can come again to this area of 130, 184 to retest again this zone and then to come back up more. Where did you learn to trade? I have learned to trade with some guys from Canada a few years ago, like 3 years and a half. And at the beginning, before taking courses with them, I was losing money and I lost my account and I was trading without a stop loss and all these things. And after I start to do all the lessons and all the courses with them, then I realized that Forex is different, that you have to watch it like a business, not like a game, and so on. So I started to create my own strategy and to become profitable. So after that, I said that I'm pretty sure that also some other people, they really need me, also because, I don't know, from somewhere, some guys saw that I'm trading and they started to ask me, what do I do here, what do I do there? And after that I said, okay, it's fine. If the people are asking me my opinion about trading, then I should start to do more things about it. And then I started, let's say, my new company and my own company, the BloomFX, and I can say that everything is going well. I mean, I have a lot of students that they want to learn. I have implemented a new strategy with the Atom EA. Of course, you can go to to my website, and here you have all the details about my website, okay, and what do I do. And I can say that I started to help people, and I feel very good when I receive a lot of messages from guys that they say, and girls that they say, thank you so much for helping. Now I started to trade better. I don't know what you're doing, but you are very calm, and things like this. So I think it's very important if you can, let's say, transmit that message that you want to send it. I don't know how to say. So look at EURJPY. So I said that we have two possibilities. Okay, I'm expecting the price to come back, to come up, but in the same time we have the probability for the price to come and retest again this area and then to come back up again. So that's why I don't rush to go into the trade, although I made my pips, and those that they are already on my group, they know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm doing 100 pips per week, and I know it's already Tuesday, but I did my let's say my target. It doesn't mean that I will not give something if I will say it, but I have to be 100% sure, and I have to feel 100% comfortable, and this I will do it especially with the guys that they are on my paid channel, the signal, where I give signals, okay, at the VIP channel, and there I give all the signals and all the details. And also I have a group of educational, and also this week I said that it's going to be free for I will give a free pass for 10 people that they really want to see what do I do. I mean, to be inside, you know, and also they can ask questions, they can send charts, they can ask also the other people from the group how I am, or I don't know, my results. They can see everything, okay? So everything gets, let's say, transparent if you are in my group, okay? And I don't know, maybe because I'm a girl, I'm more calm. I am not so let's say like some other traders that they are jumping up and down when they see that maybe the pair is going into the drawdown, or they have won, I don't know, 10 or 15 pips. I am different, and I'm thinking different. Look at EURJPY right now, what it's doing. Let me see also the currency strength meter, and it seems like, come on, move. It seems like GPY is stronger, it's becoming stronger. Don't forget, in about 20 minutes you will have news for those that they are trading, and also maybe we are going through some other pairs. It seems like also this one is going to do exactly what do I said. You see? So it's like it gave me the confirmation that the price may continue to go down. Why? Because I have waited for this price to see if it's going to go up or not. Now here we have a stop loss of 15 pips. I don't push it to go into the trade. I don't tell you to go into the trade, okay? I'm telling you that this is my vision, and this is what I think about this pair. I don't say jump right now in this one, and also what I can say is that this is really crazy right here, because the price may reject it, okay? So if you want to take this trade, take it on demo, take it on the real account with a very, 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 very small lot size, although you have a very small stop loss, okay? So if the price is not doing exactly what I think it can do, then I can close the trade. I think it's that I didn't risk too much. I have done everything correctly. I have my resistance right here. The price came 1, 2, 3 times, and it couldn't break this area. So the probability for the price to come back down, it's higher than to come back up, even if the price here rejected. I'm thinking that the price came through this area, break through this zone, created a support, came back up, retested, and now it should come back down even more. So this is like break and retest, and the guys that they did the how you say, the lessons with me, they know exactly what I'm talking about. What is the percentage rate of your return per year or month on your trading strategy? It's very high, my percentage. But all the details, if you want, you can come to my group and you will see there everything. I want to see what GJ is trying to do right now. So what I said about GJ is that, how do I say? I said it that in my mind right now I see only a break and retest. If the price is not going to do exactly what I'm thinking, then I can say that maybe something happened and maybe it was something influenced with the news. I don't know, or maybe I didn't mark up my chart correctly. But if I'm looking at GJ right now, also on the 30 minute and also on the 15 and also on the 1 hour, I can say that I did it like at the book. I don't know how to say. So everything is rejecting from this area, okay? So I can say that, where is it? My brush, let me take my brush. Okay, so here we have rejection, here we have rejection, here again the price rejected, created like a resistance. Here the price break through this area, but it came back down, break through this zone, okay, so came back down, here created like a resistance. Here the price rejected again, here the price rejected again, and here the price is trying to reject again. So what do I think about it? Is that the price should continue to go even lower. If this is not going to happen, then I don't know what else I can say, but I'm not afraid of this kind of let's say moves, and maybe it's doing like a liquidity grab, and maybe it's doing something that I cannot control it, okay? So I suggest you sometimes to trade. If you see something and like this, you will exercise yourself, okay? And saying that, okay, I'm going into a trade. So if it's not going exactly where I thought that it will go, then I did something wrong, okay? Like maybe my stop loss, but I don't think so. Maybe my entry was not good. Maybe I didn't wait enough time, because this is again a very, very important thing, to wait exactly the perfect time to go into the trade, okay? It seems like right now the price is coming back up again, maybe creating like a wick and then coming back down even lower. So this is what I think that it's going to happen, and this is like all the time I'm trading, okay? It's like break and retest, and I'm doing all the time the same thing. So this, if it's not going to happen, then it's fine. I have let's say a lot of pips, okay, in profit. So it's like I'm trading right now from my profit, and I'm not risking too much money, and I don't like to speak about how much money I make and how much do I risk per trade, because I don't want to feel you uncomfortable, and maybe to, I don't know, I can say that I really don't like it. So in this case, because the price is not doing exactly what I'm thinking, I can close 50% from my trade, and this is about risk management. What do I mean by that? It's that if the price is not doing exactly what I'm thinking, then I can close half of my trade, okay? And I'm expecting the price to come back down more, and when the price is going to go in profits, then I'm gonna add again that 50% back, or even more if I feel that the trade is going into my favor. So I do believe that this one is going to continue down. Let me see also Euro USD. Let me delete this one because I cannot see anything, my God. So let me do it in another way, like this. So it seems like right here, Euro USD, it's rejecting. This is on the 15. Let me go on the 30 minute. And this is the 1 hour chart. I can say that this one at the news, maybe it will come back up and then down again. So I suggest you not to trade. It's very, very, very difficult right now to trade. I think you have noticed too, and I'm talking about the guys that they do have some experience. Maybe they have half a year or maybe 1 year of trading, and they know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a very, very strange moment of trading, and this is about everything that happened. This is like an accumulation, you know, about, and the first and the main thing is that with the virus that we cannot escape with this one. Also we have this how you say, the fact that all the people, they must do this injections, but everything is moving so slowly and nothing really special is happening right now. And they are doing a lot of vaccines, but in the same time we can see that a lot of people they take this virus. So I think this is the main thing for what's happening right now on the market. Okay, and after that there are the news and there are the politics stuff, you know, what's happening between the states and so on. And I can say right now, I don't suggest you to trade. We still have 9 minutes for this. Let me put it on the 30-minute candle to close. And I can say that right now, for Euro USD, it seems like the price can come down even lower. Let me see USDJPY. And USDJPY break through that box, okay, and it came back down. It seems like it came through this area, and let's see if it's going to reject it, or maybe it's going to go even lower, where you see that we have how you say, we have these rejections from here. This is a price breakthrough, but came back down and rejected again and back up even more. Here we have the rejection, and here we have the rejections too. So there is a higher probability for the price to come back and to retest again this area of 108. Okay, let me see also gold, because we are in the USD. My God, it break through this area. It closed lower and then it came back up again in the box. I mean, I that's why I say I don't understand right now what's going on, and sometimes I really don't suggest to go into some trades. Only if you feel comfortable 100%, okay? If not, then you should not go. Look at EURJPY, it came back down. Let me see the currency strength meter. The GPY, oh come on, the GPY is strong, but the GBP it's gaining strength, so I don't know. Let me see GJ again retested this area. Let me see the 15. So retested again this area, and it should come back down even lower. If not, then it's happening. What can we do? Let's see GBPUSD. Also this one, it may reject from this area too. It was a very good sell in the morning, and right now, so this was in the London session, okay, and the pre-London. So the price came back down, rejected from this area, came back up, and here I'm thinking that the price it may do again like a retest, okay? So the price can retest again this area and come back down even lower, but maybe the price can go even higher, somewhere around here, or maybe exactly right here where we have the little dots, the little red line. We don't know because it's very, very strange right now. So you are not right now in a trade, or maybe you are waiting because you are in some trades with USD, and you are afraid that nothing is doing how you want. Sometimes you lose, and when you are losing, it's like you gain experience. You understand what happened on the market. You understand where you had, let's say, where it was your mistake. Maybe you are going too early in a trade, okay? Sometimes you are going too early, and sometimes you have to understand that. Look at Euro USD, it rejected from this area. Sometimes even you have marked up perfectly your charts, you will see some moves where you will lose some money and you will not understand what happened. Maybe you will think that, oh my god, here it was my mistake, but you should see why it was your mistake, what happened, okay? And I think that the main mistake is that we all are in a rush, you know. We are in a rush to take the trade, and maybe we are not waiting enough. And all the time I repeat myself that you should wait for the how you say, all the time you should wait before going into the trade. 80% of the time it's waiting, and I said 10 is for sell, 10 and another 10 is for buy. So I think this is our main problem, that we don't wait for the perfect time to go into a trade. But you will say that, okay, Mari, it's not the perfect time, but when is the perfect time? So the perfect time, I think, it's when you have waited enough for the price to give you the best confirmation before going into the trade, okay? So the perfect time, it's when the price it's closing above or under a resistance or support, and it can give you the best let's say the best opportunity to go into a trade, meaning that you need confirmation, meaning that it need to close that candle not to break, and maybe you have to wait 2 hours to see if it's going to reject or not that area. So it's like in my case right here with GJ. Look what he's doing right now also on the 30-minute chart. I mean, I have explained you my idea and what do I think about GJ. I have explained you that this is like a break and retest. I have waited an hour and a half to go into a trade, okay? Or maybe I didn't wait enough, because that's why I say that the perfect entry is when you see that the candle it's closing and it gives you the confirmation. But you see in this case right here, the candle rejected once, twice, a third time, you know, and right now it should continue to go lower in my opinion. But it's just playing and it's just doing this stupid thing because it has this main issue right here at 151, 142. But I think that this is a very correct entry, and this is an entry like in the books, you know, break, retest, wait for the price to close under the resistance, give it a confirmation and enter in the trade. So I can say that right now GJ doesn't want to do exactly what I thought, and it's not because of my stop loss, okay? Don't think that, oh, maybe you didn't have a big stop loss. You don't have to, you don't have how you say a huge stop loss, okay? Sometimes you can have a very small stop loss and you can enter in the trade, like it can be 1-to-1, like you put your stop loss at 10 pips but you can win 10 pips, you know. This is 1-to-1. This was like 3-to-1. I have explained you at the beginning. If you are how you say if you are how you say risking $50, then your win it can be 150. So there are a lot of strategies to make a lot of money. So in my, what do I think? It's that right now maybe I didn't wait enough time. Right now it seems like this is not doing exactly what I thought, even if the price it closed how you say, even if the price closed under this resistance. Let me see also, because it just was the news, and I can see that nothing really happened at the news. I can say that the price it came back up. It's just playing right here. You see, it's just playing exactly what I have put this resistance, and maybe the price is just trying to create like a support right here, and maybe the price to continue to go higher. Let me see also USDJPY, what it had done. It rejected from this area and now it's trying to push up from where it started, and there is the possibility for the price to come back again in the range area. So you see, you can see some strange moves that you cannot understand them and thinking, why the hell do they happen, you know? I mean, there are some things that you cannot understand and predict, like happened right here, came back up, and now it's rejecting again this area. So I think this pair, it's in the same situation like GJ, and I do expect that GBP to be not to be so strong, and the dollar to be stronger and the GPY to be stronger to push down the pound. But it seems like it doesn't want to do this right now, and maybe it's going to do it later on. So this is, I'm trying to say that when you are trying to learn new things, and when you are trading, try to understand that sometimes you cannot control some things, you know, and sometimes you can lose some trades, but you have to risk how you say, a percentage which is according to your account. You don't have to risk too much. You have to trade in such a way that you have to understand that being in a trade, you have a 50-50% to be a winning or a losing trade. And this is not only by your fault, it's about there are some things in the market that you cannot control them. Of course, you can predict the market, but it's let's say that you should be at the right time in the market and to place your trade. Like it happened to me with GJ. Maybe I was not in the right time, and maybe the price, it went up just to grab liquidity and then to come back down. Okay, so I can see right now that on the 30-minute it closed higher, it came back down, retested again this area, and then I can say that the probability for the price to continue to go higher, to go high, it's higher than to come back down. But these are the things that I cannot control, and I have to think that maybe my mistake it was that I didn't wait too much time and I didn't focus to despair, because I told you it's very difficult in the same time to speak and to watch to some other pairs and to have a trade in the same time. Although it didn't hit the stop loss, and to be honest, I really don't care too much, and I'm not so how you say, almost crying because I didn't lose too much, and I did it only to give me the confirmation that I am right about what I am saying, and that this one, it's like a break and retest, and sometimes you don't really need a huge stop loss to be profitable. Okay, sometimes I think that our main mistake is that we are entering in a trade too early. Maybe this trade of mine, it will be valid after, I don't know, after 1 hour. Maybe this one is just going up, creating like a wick, and maybe coming back down again. Okay, so this doesn't mean that I should have put my stop loss higher. It means that I didn't wait let's say for the candle, for the next candle, 1 hour candle, to give me the confirmation. Okay, I didn't wait too much. Sometimes you have to wait a lot before going into the trade. Okay, let's see GBP Cad. This one rejected from here, and there is a probability for the price to come back higher again. Oh, and I can see right now that there is another 22 minutes until the 4 hour candle will close. And let me see also this with EJ, and I'm thinking that, oh, why did I have removed it? So I can say that if this candle, I don't know if I can take it like this, but I like it more like this. I can say that, what do I think? It's that if this 1 hour candle is going to close above this area, and also if we are going on the 4 hour, and if it's going to close above this area, okay, then the higher probability for this pair is that if it's going to close above this zone, then it could be a buy, okay. So if it's going to close above 130.127, then wait for the price to come back down again, create like a wick, and then the price to come back up, maybe to retest again 130. What we have here, 130, almost 500 area, okay. So wait for the price to see what it's trying to tell you right here. This is what I'm thinking about this one, and this is what you can do. We have a guy here, I cannot pronounce his name, but he say, help me. What's wrong with you? How can I help you? What did you've done with your account, or maybe what pair you're trading and you cannot control it anymore? You just say, help me, help me. Okay, I can help you, but I can tell you my opinion, but come and say what happened to you. Look, GU, it's rejecting this area and coming back down. So we can see that GJ didn't hit stop loss. So to be honest, I really don't mind, but I'm thinking that this was my main mistake, that I didn't wait for the price to reject into, I mean, this one rejected, but I didn't wait for the next candle to come up, reject, and then to come back down again, because I was looking only on the 30-minute and the 15-minute chart. And that's why I said that it's very important also to look on the higher time frames, because the higher time frames, they give you best confirmations, okay. Smaller confirmations, you can find them on the 30-minute and the 15-minute chart, but you don't have to stay on them all the time. I stay on them when I do the live sessions, because the price is moving faster, and like this I can speak and I show you things. But it's better to stay on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, because like this you will see things better, you know. So there is another 19 minutes, 18 minutes for this 1 hour and 4 hour candle to close, and it seems like it's rejecting again that area, and the price is coming back down from that zone. And I think, yes, now I understand where it was my main mistake, and I have told you it's because I didn't wait for the next 1 hour candle to give me the best opportunity to see that it's trying to go up, create like a wick, and then to come back down, okay. Because I could wait this one to create a wick, I could see that this one is trying to come back down, and then I could enter later on. But I told you I don't have right now any problems, so it seems like it's still rejecting from this area. It's just happening. What can I say? Let me see. Look, Euro USD. Also look at this one. It closed above what I said about this resistance, okay. I thought that the price is going to create like a support. It came back up, created like a wick, and came back down, and it's like it retested again this area from here, and maybe from here it's going to create like a support and then to come back up, because also the new 4 hour candle, it's closing. And maybe the next one, when we have also how you say, when we have accumulation of the price, let's say that we have a lot of momentum, okay, it means that the next candle, if it's going to close above this area, then the price should come up and fill this week. Let's go back to GJ because also I want to close with this one because I will go out from the live session because I have some courses to do, and I think that I will close it at the break even because I will not have time I don't have too much time, and maybe you should do the same. Hi there, wish the negative news on USD, what your views on gold? Gold, it's still there, nothing happened, okay? Remember, it's in the strange area. Wait for the price to break somewhere here in this zone, and then you can have a sell to retest again this area of 1726, okay? And I'm saying this because right now I can see that also on the 15 and also on the 30 minute and also on the 1 hour, the price is rejecting from this area. Going back on the 4-hour chart, I can see, let me remove this one, I can see that the price is rejecting from this area. But if the price is going to close above this red line from here, if it's going to close above this one, then the price will play a little bit around this area, maybe come back down, create like a wick, and then it's coming back up to retest this zone. So wait, because you still have 15 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and you have the best confirmation if you can enter in the trade or not, okay? And regarding GJ, I cannot do too much right now because I have to exit from the live session because I have to start lessons with some other students. I can say that if you took the same thing with me, just wait for the price to come to the break even, and if you don't feel comfortable, you can close it. I will see you exactly what I will do because I told you I will be out of the live session. So don't over trade, wait for the price. Maybe you can close right here half of the trade, okay? And we will see if the price will continue to go down or not, okay? So take care of you, don't over trade, don't risk more than 2% from your account, and see you tomorrow when